Today I'm going to review these magic highlighters, and they're called iMagic. They are individually sold for $10, around $10, and the Anastasia Beverly Hills illuminating highlighters are around $24 or so dollars. I don't have any highlighter right now, that's why I look so goddamn dry, but I will be trying these out on camera for you, just so you guys get a little background towards the makeup that I'm wearing today. I did end up setting my under eye with powder and my contour with powder, so basically everything is powder besides my foundation. So since there are 3 powder forms, I am going to be using 3 different brushes. This purple one is from Royal and Lace. This purple one is specifically for a highlighter. Then I have 2 brushes from Morphe, your typical highlighting brush that every other YouTuber has, so let's just not, let's move past that. If you guys are aware of the Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighters, one is in Peach Nectar, the other one is in So Hollywood, the most popular one, and then the other one is in Riviera. Okay, I can't pronounce my R's, you guys. Okay, I have a hard time pronouncing my R's. Alright, anyway, let's just move past that, alright? These just have a number, which is 1, 2, and 3. So they are very similar. Now, on the Amazon website, they did change. I don't know if it's the formula or whatnot, because when I bought these, they actually have, the pattern on the product. But on the Amazon website, now it's all solid. So I don't know if you guys will be receiving this now or the new product. I don't know what's changed. But I'm pretty sure it's the same thing. Alright, so this one does look like the dupe for Peach Nectar right here. This one right here from Amazon is an 03, very similar to Peach Nectar. Alright, the next one is an 02, and this one is in Riviera. And then this one is an 01, and this one is the famous So Hollywood dupe. I will have all the links down below so you guys could go ahead and purchase the one that you like. First, we're gonna try 03, which is the dupe for Peach Nectar. And I'll just go ahead and grab the first brush. I'll just use this purple brush. I'm gonna go ahead and spritz my face and drench myself because sabes que I gotta look awesome. The powder is very, very fine and very soft. You don't have a lot of fallout, which is really good in my perspective, because sometimes when it's too powdery, it tends to fall off your face anyway. So I'm just gonna go ahead and set it right here. But this is how Peach Nectar dupe looks like in 03. There's not much fallout, if any. It's pretty sweet. These products are really good. I haven't had any chemical reaction to it, and I know a lot of people don't like purchasing dupe products, because of the chemicals that there are. I did look everything up, and everything is nice and safe. Also on the box it tells you specifically what it has. It also comes to a lot of high-end brands that they don't like dupes because they rip them off. But what I like about this is that the packaging is not the same. They have a different name, and it's a dupe. That's what dupes are, they try to mimic something that's high-end brand. I want to say that this one is a dupe for So Hollywood in 01. And with this one, I'm going to try this Morphe brush in R31, I believe. So I'm going to spritz the other side of my face. So I'm just going to put it up here. So far I have 03 on this side and then 01 on this side. And now for the last one, I will be putting it on my chin, on top of my brows, and on the tip of my nose, which is this lighter shade right here that I cannot pronounce. And this one is in shade 02. I'm gonna go ahead and rub some on here, place some on my nose, on the bridge of my nose, on my chinny chin chin. And again, this is the lighter shade of the whole 3 packets. In the center of my forehead. Of course, it's totally different when you do swatches with brushes than on your hands, but that's my whole highlighted face. It is a very nice compact. It is very sturdy. These have fallen down, not on my floor, but on my carpet, and these have maintained themselves fairly nice. You do get a good payoff out of these, as well as the Anastasia Beverly Hills original ones, and the product itself is very soft and very easy to blend and work with. If you guys have any other questions, go ahead and leave them down below. Obviously follow me on my Snapchat because you guys get first dibs on everything that I review. Thanks so much for tuning in, you guys. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.